How to use Judge Me reviews on Shopify. So hello there and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Judge Me on Shopify store. So first of all, you have to go to your Shopify app store. To do it, you have to tap onto app, then you can go to all recommended apps and tap onto this little icon here, Shopify app store. You can see it here. Tap onto it, and after tapping onto it, just search for judge.me this site, and then here you can see this judge.me reviews. Then install this app, just tap on to install button and then confirm the installation. So let me show you how you can do it here. Just tap on to install. So after clicking on to install, there we go. Here you can see this judgment.reviews. Now you can choose your language, your widgets and email languages, and your this one's like where would you like to install to your current theme, don't refresh, etc. Now you can tap on to start setup, and then you can start setting up it. So you can tap on to embed app this site, and from there you can just edit it if you wish to. You can see this is added. Now you can just save it up. Now let's go back to our previous page. We'll let it load. So now let's go back to our page, then tap continue. Now you can tap onto this option, install review widget. So you have to click on the button below here. You can see this option, then you have to tap onto review widget, and then you have to click save. So let me show you how you can do it. Let the page load, and there you go. At the top left corner you can see the option review widget. Here you can see this review widget option. So you can just also you can make it upwards if you wish to, for example on the product informations here, but for now I would like to keep it here. Now you can tap on the review widget, and from there you can customize this one from here. So you can just save it up from here. Just save it up, and then you can go back and then click continue again. Now you can install star ratings from here very easily. Just tap onto it again like previously we did. Then you just have to save it up from here. You can see the star. Let me find the option star reviews. Here you can see this review widget. The star reviews might be somewhere here. Let me find the option. So here you can see the review widget, and here you can see again the review widget here. So that's it. Now you can save it up again. Just save it up, and you can go back again and then tap continue again. Okay, let's try again. Let's tap on to this one. Then you must find the option of star budget. Okay, let me find the option. Here you can see this, the review widget has been added. So this is how you can use it. Let me add it to upwards. Okay, let me add it to here. So I think that's enough. Now you can just save it up from here, and you can then go and click continue. So there might be some issues with it. Let's find the stars ratings from here. Let's tap onto Control F and search for a star. You can see this. You can write a review here. You can see this start ratings from here, judgme.reviews. Here are the start rating. Let me find it. So here is the star ratings. You can see so that was pretty much it. You can review your widget from here. You can check out your reviews. You can write a reviews if you wish to. You can also cancel it. So this is how the review is added. Here you can see this is the sample of it. You can add it to upwards if you wish to. Let me just take it and add it to the upward side. So this is where the review is added. Now you can just simply tap on to save option. As you can see, changes has been saved, and our reviews are here, right? So let's go back, and you can check out our reviews. So let me cut this side here. Okay, let's show it up. Now if you scroll down, you will find those options from here. Here you can see the reviews here. Now let's continue, and for now let's skip this step. And this is how you can use startup reviews, and from here you can tap onto add blocks or add sections on the review widget. You can add block after this or before after this. If you want, you can add block, and you can choose them like what type of block you want, and then you can edit them, and then you can just save it up. So this is what it will look like. Let's check out the mobile preview. Here you can see the mobile preview, and if we keep scrolling, here we can find these options, and this is what it looks like. So this is what will the mobile preview will look like. You can see this option here. You can just tap onto login from here, etc. So you can just customize them and many more. So let's go. This is how you can add here. Now you can set up your branding. You can enter your store logo URL if you want to, and then you can continue again. You can customize these things like domestic orders after the order is fulfilled, and send review request after, etc. Now lastly you can finish it up. Now you can export Judge Me, or you can import reviews also if you wish to. From here you can import reviews from AliExpress to Amazon if you want. For example, you just have to tap on to import. You have to enter the file from here, or image of the file. For example, let me go and find an image. Okay, so right now I'm not seeing an image for me. Okay, let's see. Now you can just search a product type, or now you can see this one. Now you can enter import from here. So that's it. You can select product for which from here. You can just choose them up, then tap on to import, and you'll be able to import reviews. You can also import reviews from Etsy if you wish to. You can just tap on to it from Etsy. You can add files from here if you wish to, then you can open it up, and then you can also enter your Unicode if you wish to. So that was pretty much it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, and see you on to another video. And let me know in the comment section that what type of video you wanna see. Goodbye.